Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 56 of the NEET PG important questions, and today we'll discuss about the questions of the topic blood vessels of the abdomen. So first try to answer the questions by yourself. Inferior vena cava in the fetal life carries which type of blood? So it carries mixed blood. Inferior vena cava in the adult life carries which type of blood? So it carries deoxygenated blood. Inferior vena cava is formed in front of which vertebra? So in front of L5 vertebra. Inferior vena cava opens into right atrium opposite to which costosternal joint? Right side. So opposite to sixth costosternal joint, right side. What is the location where the inferior vena cava pierces the diaphragm? So at the T8 level, through the central tendon of the diaphragm, the IVC pierces the diaphragm. IVC or the inferior vena cava is crossed by first part of duodenum, third part of duodenum, right gonadal vessel, right common iliac artery, superior mesenteric vessels, and the right gonadal vessels. Inferior vena cava is in posterior relation to which structures? So first part of duodenum, head of pancreas, and the third part of duodenum. Left relations of the inferior vena cava are abdominal aorta, right cross of diaphragm, and the caudate lobe of liver. What are the right relations of the inferior vena cava? So these are second part of duodenum, hepatorenal pouch of the Morinson, and the right ureter. What is the length of the abdominal aorta? So it is about 10 cm. At which vertebral level abdominal aorta bifurcates? So at the L4 vertebral level. Abdominal aorta pierces the diaphragm and enters the abdominal cavity at which vertebral level? At the T12 vertebral level. Celiac trunk arises at which vertebral level? At the T12 vertebral level. Which is the smallest branch of the celiac artery? It is the left gastric artery. Which is the largest branch of the celiac artery? It is the splenic artery. Which are the branches from the common hepatic artery? So these are right gastric artery, gastroduodenal artery, posterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery. Which artery is called as the artery of Wilkes? So supraduodenal branch of the gastroduodenal artery is called as the artery of Wilkes. Pancreatic branches from the splenic artery supplies what? It supplies the body of the pancreas and the tail of pancreas. Which is the first branch of the superior mesenteric artery? So it is the inferior pancreaticoduodenal artery. Superior mesenteric artery arises at which vertebral level? At the L1 vertebral level. Superior mesenteric artery crosses which part of the duodenum? So it crosses the third part of the duodenum. Superior mesenteric artery crosses which structures? So it crosses the right psoas major, right ureter, and the inferior vena cava. Splenic artery runs posterior to which bursa? Behind the stomach. So omental bursa. Splenic artery runs on the upper border of which part of the pancreas? So body of the pancreas and the tail of pancreas. Splenic artery runs in which ligament? So it runs in the lienorenal ligament. It runs in lienorenal ligament. Short gastric artery runs in which ligament? So it runs in the gastrosplenic ligament. What are the branches of the splenic artery? So these are the pancreatic branch, short gastric artery, and the left gastroepiploic artery. Short gastric artery supplies which part of the stomach? So it supplies the fundus part of the stomach. Which structure are crossed by the left gastric artery? So they are left cross of diaphragm, left psoas major muscle, left sympathetic trunk, left kidney, and the left suprarenal gland. At the origin of the superior mesenteric artery, splenic artery is where to the superior mesenteric artery. So the origin of the superior mesenteric artery, the splenic artery is superior to the superior mesenteric artery. At the origin of superior mesenteric artery, left renal vein is where to the superior mesenteric artery. So it is inferior to the superior mesenteric artery. What are the branches of the superior mesenteric artery? So there are middle cholic artery, right cholic artery, and the ileocholic artery are the branches of the superior mesenteric artery. Middle cholic artery, right cholic, and the ileocholic artery. What are the branches of the ileocholic artery? So these are anterior and the posterior cecal artery, appendicular artery, and the ileal artery are the branches of the ileocholic artery. At which vertebral level the inferior mesenteric artery arises from the abdominal aorta? So at the L3 vertebral level. At origin, the inferior mesenteric artery runs posterior to the third part of the duodenum. Inferior mesenteric artery runs into lesser pelvis after crossing which artery? After crossing the left common iliac artery. What are the branches of the inferior mesenteric artery? So these are left cholic artery, sigmoidal artery, and the superior rectal arteries. Which artery is the continuation of the superior mesenteric artery? So it is ileocholic artery is the continuation of the superior mesenteric artery. Which artery is the continuation of the inferior mesenteric artery? So it is the superior rectal artery. Left cholic artery crosses which structures? It crosses the left psoas muscle, left ureter, and the left gonadal vessels. Marginal artery of the Drummond extends from ileocecal to the rectosigmoid junction. Critical point of the SUDEC is when the lowest sigmoidal artery fails to join the superior rectal artery. When anastomosis between the middle and the left cholic artery does not exist, there may be direct retroperitoneal anastomosis between the trunks of the superior and the inferior mesenteric arteries called as artery of Rioland, which is the first paired artery from the abdominal aorta. So it is the inferior phrenic artery. At which side the right inferior phrenic artery crosses the inferior vena cava? So posteriorly. Left inferior phrenic artery crosses the esophagus from which side? From the posterior side. Inferior phrenic artery gives which branch to the suprarenal gland? Superior suprarenal artery. At which vertebral level the middle suprarenal arteries arises? So they arises at the L1 vertebral level. Middle suprarenal arteries arises at the level of origin of which artery? Superior mesenteric artery. Which renal artery is longer? So right renal artery is comparatively longer than the left renal artery, but the right renal artery is lower than the left renal artery. Right renal artery passes behind which structures? It passes behind the inferior vena cava, head of pancreas, and the second part of duodenum. Left renal artery passes behind which structures? Body of pancreas, left renal vein, and the splenic vein. What are the branches of the renal artery? So these are inferior suprarenal artery, ureteric artery, and the capsular artery are the branches of the renal artery. Quadratus lumborum muscle is crossed by which lumbar artery? So it is crossed by the fourth lumbar artery. Quadratus lumborum muscle covers which lumbar artery? So it covers the first, second, and third lumbar artery. Right guineal artery crosses which structures? So it crosses third part of the duodenum and the root of mesentery and also the ileum. Left guineal artery crosses which structures? So it crosses left colic vessels, inferior mesenteric vein and the descending colon. At which vertebral level the common iliac artery arises? So at the L4 vertebral level the common iliac arteries arises. Which common iliac artery is longer? Right common iliac artery is longer than the left common iliac artery. Suprarenal gland is supplied by which artery? By the inferior phrenic artery, abdominal aorta and the suprarenal artery. So today up till here we will discuss about the further important notes and questions or the further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.